Assalamu alaikum. I will talk about what is the only way to earn from forex. The only way is to earn from forex is to apply triple M and not to chase the market. So what is that? The hack is you cannot chase the market price. You cannot just do hurry all the time, and because of you are doing hurry and chasing the market, that's why you are entering to the price that market didn't give you the opportunity to enter into the market. I hope you understood it. Secondly, the triple M means money management and method of strategy and your mentality. So combination of these three and coordination of your brain, coordination of your mentality, your money management and your method of trading, the forex market will give you the profit. Here you see I've placed a trade here. Let me take it out. I've placed a sell pending order here, and right from there the market went up to 72 pips above, and that is crashed down yesterday. So it immediately gives me 335 pips in one day from USD Japanese yen currency pair. But I did not get out from the market because I understood the market will push up a little bit and get the resistance from here, and then it will crash down until to this price. So this is what I believe. That's why I didn't get out from the market. So this is what called mentality is. And the money management you must have to apply. So my strategy is to always go for pending order in order to get the right place of execution from the broker. So I hope you get it, and just follow the triple M and never ever chase the market. So remember, never ever chase the market. Okay, so bye bye.